Hey John, what's up? Not much. I was just gonna go to the church and pray. Do you want to go with me? Sure. Let's go. All right. Oh look, it's a beggar.
Money, money. I'm crippled. I can't walk. My legs don't work.
You got money? Nope. I don't got any money either. Sorry man, we don't have money. But, could. Oh yeah, that's a great idea. We could.
What can you do?
Well, you see, we're, disciples of Jesus.
Jesus? I've heard of him.
Yeah, and he has given us his power. And if you believe, then,
I believe.
Well then, if you believe, the power of God can change you. So man, get up. You can walk.
I can walk. Jesus has changed my life.
Now go tell everyone what Jesus has done for you.
I must tell everyone.
Hello, Hannah.
The world